Igama lami ngu-Anele Nsundu, ngibhalela ukukhumbula ekhaya nokuthi ngikwazi ifamily yami. Ngikhulela e-Van Place of Safety kuyimi noSifanele Nsundu. Okay, abazali sebashiya bengina-4 years, uSifanele ana-10. uSifanele wangitshela ukuthi ubaba bokunzaka Nsundu, umama boku-Ana, uvele eTranskei eMthatha, but ukuthi kuphi eMthatha angazi. Ubhuti wami beyahlala ngicocela ukuthi sisplithe nabazali bami. Ubaba was abusive kibo bonke endlini. So umama uthe sakakhathala ukushaya ubaba, wathatha ubosisi bami u-Anderson noMagugu wadecide ukubaleka nawo. Then nobaba naye asithatha mina noSifanele ayoshiya ephakini yaseBhenoni. Then sathola ama-neighbours lawa bewahlala eduze nale phaki leyo basise-Van Place of Safety. Fika kwami e-Van Place of Safety ngifike bokuyi-94 ngikhulela khona, ngiphume 2000 e-Place of Safety. Lekhathi uHarold as-adopt. Ukuphuma kwethu vele e-Place of Safety behlanu uHarold, everything was okay, yasibhadalela esikolweni, ayenza yonke into. uHarold uthe sekalwa nama-China, wadecide ukubuyela emuva e-USA. Then it's when izinto zacala ukuba complicated. uSifanele kwakufana ukuthi adrop out ka-grade 12 ayongisebenzela ayosebenza ukuthi nami ngilale endlini. Then after loko, before 2010 kula ngimthola khona uBitumelo. uSifanele beyangincedisa nangoBitumelo, simthengela yonke into. Then 2010 ubhuti wami kula ashona khona. Nakhona if bengasumama Makama bengengize ngikhona kumngcwaba. Umama Makama uhlangana naye njani? Bokumuntu abantwana bakhe bebachomene noSifanele. So umama Makama uthe sekushona uSifanele kula ayenzani angithatha khona ayohlala nami khona until ngihleli naye 3 years until nabo bazange basakhona ukunakekela. It's where actually ngaqala ukuba estradini. Fika kwami estradini, things were not easy, especially ukuthi ukhulele eMasabaphu uthola yonke into nanani, then usestradini. Lana kula ngilala khona, like semvuka ekuseni ngiphutha izinto zami ngizibeke khona la, the blanket esihlahleni. Then the first thing ngiyenzayo ukuthanyela, then isigubhu e-strap yard. Mbuye, if I don't have anything to do, ngihlala noMadala. Ama-tattoos ngawathola in prison actually. I was sentenced for housebreaking. It's whereby I decided actually within this life as a strategi ukuthi ngilo ngibhemana namanyawo ubheng no ngawaste 6 years yonke for nothing. This is kuphela that ngilanda 8 years ngiclean from Nyaope, and I'm proud of myself because of that. But still ayikho into ehlanganayo. Mina ukuthi ngithola ukudla ngidobha igubhu namacan namaplastiki ngihambise ngiyosigalisa ukuthi ngibe nemali each and every day, nokuthi angikhona ukucela ngikhona ukwenzani. Yimi vele lo nasenganayo into, I prefer working for it. Ngicela umuntu owazi ifamily kaNsundu or ifamily ka-Ana or owazi u-Anderson Nsundu or noMagugu Nsundu, ngiyangicela nifonele nikhumbule ekhaya nokuthi ngiyabadinga empilweni yami labantu. Umntanami naye azi imvelaphi yakhe angakhuli njengami.